Sherry's Crafting. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Alright guys, we're going to make a basket for your door, okay? A lady sent me a picture and wanted to know if I could make one. So, I'm going to try it. What you need is one of these trellises, okay, from Dollar Tree. If you don't like the green, you can spray paint it, guys. I'm just going to leave mine green because my door is white, and I kind of want to make sure that you can see the designs that's on the thing here. And you're going to need some burlap. I've got one here from Dollar Tree, and it is the one with the lace on it, guys. This one was in my Christmas Michaels haul. It has a little bit of gold in it. And so I got 2 of those, and I got 1.5 rolls of the lace. Let me grab this. So there's another roll in case I need it. I know I'm not, but. And I have 2 butterfly clips. Okay, there's one. See, it has the clip on the back. These are from Dollar Tree. I also have some flowers of my choice. You can use any kind of flowers. And I also have some that's left over. I'm thinking about using some of the morning glories out of this one that I have, because I really don't like this pot anymore. You know, the flowers in it. So I have 2.5 to be on the safe side of the ribbon with the lace. Now I also have some twine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue the twine on mine, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that and make it look more like a basket, okay? And I also have some pliers. These here come from, I'm trying to think. I think I got them at Walmart. And I also have some little wire snips. And you're going to need your trusty hot glue gun. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to face the camera down so you guys get to see what I'm doing. Which I could have used my other camera. And I didn't, sorry. Alright guys, here are these little stakes here that are on the end. You want to clip those off. Be very careful, because you don't want to cut yourself. I'm not very strong. Yay! These cutters work better at that. These are jewelry cutters. There! Okay, we're going to take our burlap ribbon, the one with the gold, I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to wrap all the way around it, and I'm going to cut it. grab another piece. And wrap the other side. And cut. Now I'm going to take my trusty hot glue gun and right here on the edge I am going to run some hot glue. Let me kind of get this. To kind of line up a little bit better. Okay. Now I'm going to lay this down. That little piece of wire that you cut off the end, take it and push. I have some of those little fingers over here. I should have grabbed those. And I didn't. The air conditioner is on and it's cooling my glue off too quick. Now I'm going to take this flap and I'm going to hot glue this down. And the reason I'm doing this, guys, is I still want to have the opening at the top on the other side where I can add my flowers, but I don't want the flowers rubbing my door. Let's get this one on the other side. Because you sure don't want to have to paint your door. Now, I'm going to glue this here down. This here is going to be the back side. That's the reason I said don't worry about this side. And the back part is just to kind of help from it rubbing on the door. Now, you want to line this one up and do the same thing. And do the other side. And guys, if you don't like the burlap, you can use rope. Now this here on the back side here, I want it down really good. Goodness. Okay, family. Part of it didn't record, so let me tell you what I did. I took my burlap ribbon that has the lace on it. I put it at the top of my pot, my basket, and the bottom, okay? And I hot glued it. The top, I made it a little bit bigger, so it kind of looks like it's got a lip on it. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my blue flowers. I'm going to come in here. And I'm just sticking them in between. Do not glue them unless you do not want them to reuse this. I want to keep mine like this. Come in with some of my morning glories. And you just really, guys, you just kind of place your flowers where you want them. You can always go back and fluff them out. However way you want it. And your stems, you can bend them and kind of have your flowers where they look like they are coming out of the pot. And you just keep going. And if you don't like some of the leaves, you can take those out, guys. I'm going to take my little butterfly, and right here on the lip, I'm going to place one there. And at the very top where it's going to hang on my door, I'm going to place one there. And we are done. Can you all see it? And it looks like it's a flower pot. And you can change your flowers out, guys, for summer, spring, fall, winter. That's the reason I said don't take and glue your flowers in there. It's a lot better that way. Alright guys, I love y'all. God bless you all. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you like more items like this, DIYs, let me know, guys. Alright guys, I love you. God bless you all.